how can just your followers that you follow back can mention you on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok and open it. And when you open TikTok, it will open on home automatically. You will go to profile and then on profile, go to this three line. Then on this three line, go to settings and privacy. Then go to privacy and then go to mention and tags. Then go to mention, click, and then change it to followers that you follow back like this, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next.